how to create your website or blog on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Google and search for Blogger, and then click on the first option, blogger.com, and it will take you directly to this page. Now click on create your blog. After you click on create your blog, then log into your email. So I'm gonna add my email right here, as you can see, and then it will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now add the name of your blog. For example, I'm gonna name it Mark Jacob blog, like this, and then click next and choose the URL for your blog, Mark Jacob blog, and click again next, and here choose your display name. So I'm gonna choose Jacob Mark and wait a few seconds, and congratulations, now your blog is here, is ready. So yeah, now all what you have to do is add posts on your blog from here, and you can see your blog from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.